Are you looking for a real business? You can start right from your garage or a small workspace. Today, we're looking at 7 powerful machines that can create both products and services, and you can run them even with zero experience. 2 of them are absolute game changers, offering minimal capital, maximum growth, and non-stop demand. Let's begin. Number 1. Wall Painting Spray Machine, 3D Vertical Wall Printer. If you want a machine that turns any plain wall into profit, this one is a game changer. The 3D Vertical Wall Printing Machine can print high-resolution images directly onto walls, tiles, glass, wood, or even metal, with stunning clarity up to 1440 by 2880 dpi. It uses eco-friendly UV or water-based ink, creating prints that are waterproof, sun-resistant, and extremely durable. Thanks to its advanced EPSON printhead, you get vibrant colors, sharp details, and fast printing speeds. You can even choose multi-head options or adjust the print height depending on the project. From home decor and interior projects to cafes, offices, schools, and advertising walls, this machine transforms blank surfaces into art and your garage into a design business. Number 2 is the Toucan 4060A2 UV Flatbed Printer, a powerful compact machine designed for creators, small businesses, and custom product makers. With a 40 by 60 centimeter printing area, an ultra-sharp resolution up to 2880 by 1440 dots per inch, this printer delivers high-quality prints on almost any material. Thanks to its EPSXP 600 printhead, you get precise, vibrant output using CMYK plus white plus varnish UV inks, perfect for luxury finishes. It supports advanced print modes like 8-pass, 12-pass, and 16-pass, giving you complete control over speed and quality. The machine can handle materials up to 18 centimeters thick, meaning you can print on bottles, mugs, phone cases, metal sheets, and more, with optional 3-in-1 UV plus DTF plus inkjet capability. This is one of the most versatile machines you can run right from your garage and turn into a full custom printing business. Number 3 is the Engraving and Cutting CNC Router, a powerhouse machine designed for serious production right from your garage. This CNC router is built for stability and precision, featuring double motors and double drivers on the Y-axis, ensuring smooth, steady movement even during heavy cutting tasks. It uses a rack and pinion gear transmission system, which gives you high speed, excellent accuracy, and long-term durability. Perfect for woodworking, sign making, furniture building, and custom fabrication. The machine runs on imported square linear rails, allowing it to handle heavy workloads without losing precision. This means you can cut woods, acrylics, plastics, composites, soft metals, and more with consistent results. To keep your machine and materials safe, it includes intelligent protection systems that prevent crashes, missteps, and overload damage, ideal for beginners and professionals. Number 4 is the Watson CO2 Laser Cutting and Engraving Machine, a new generation laser system built for creators, small businesses, and home-based production. This model features a 600 by 900 millimeter working area, giving you plenty of space to cut and engrave most materials without the need for additional trimming. That means faster production, lower costs, and smoother workflow. It works on a wide range of materials including acrylic, glass, leather, MDF, paper, plastic, plywood, and many more, making it perfect for signage, gifts, decor, packaging, engraving services, and custom product manufacturing. One of its biggest advantages is the Watson Safety Assurance System, SAS. This intelligent system provides instant detection and protection, keeping both your workspace and operators safe at all times. If you're planning to start a home workshop or expand your laser cutting business, the Watson CO2 laser machine delivers the precision, safety, and reliability you need to produce high-quality products every single time. Number 5 is the Haida HD 130L Servo energy-saving plastic injection molding machine, a powerful, efficient, and highly accurate solution for manufacturing plastic products, especially plastic toys and small consumer items. This machine is built for high productivity with low energy consumption, thanks to its advanced servo system. It comes with a 2-year warranty and uses high-precision core components like the pump, PLC, and motor, ensuring stable performance and minimal maintenance costs. Users consistently praise this machine for its exceptional precision, fast production speed, and rock-solid stability. Many report major improvements in both workflow efficiency and final product quality. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective injection molding machine for home-based or small-scale manufacturing, the Haida HD 130L truly delivers 5-star value. Number 6 is the cold water-based window lamination machine, the CSFM 1000/1200. A highly versatile solution for professional packaging makers. This machine is designed for smooth, efficient cold water-based glue lamination, reaching speeds of up to 50 meters per minute. What makes it stand out is its dual glue coating system, which ensures clean, even application with low consumption, saving both material and operating costs. It supports 2 working modes, laminating window sheets and full sheets, giving you flexibility for products like paper boxes, gift bags, labels, and premium packaging. With easy controls, reliable performance, and precise coating technology, this machine is perfect for small workshops and growing home-based businesses looking to add high-quality lamination to their production line. Number 7 is the large format Solvent printer and plotter cutter, an all-in-one powerhouse for anyone looking to enter the printing and branding business from home. This concave machine supports a massive 3,200 millimeter print width, allowing you to produce vinyl stickers, flex banners, textile prints, labels, wall art, and custom graphics with impressive clarity. It's compatible with Solvent and sublimation inks, giving you the flexibility to offer multiple product types. Equipped with high-performance print heads like the IA3200E1, XP600, and DX5, plus adjustable carriage height and an automatic ink supply system, this machine delivers sharp, vibrant, long-lasting prints while keeping operations smooth and efficient. If you're looking to start a profitable home-based printing business with endless demand, this all-in-one printer and cutter machine is a serious game changer. And that's it. 7 machines that can help you build real income from home, offering both products and services people need every day. If you want more ideas like this, simple machines, big demand, real profits, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.